पर आ गए तो हिम्मत का दूसरा नाम लगते हैं, द फादर, द लॉयर, द पावर हाउस, और सबसे बढ़कर द वन एंड ओनली हमारी इंडस्ट्री का इक्का सनी देओल। Sunny Deol, the one and only. Thank you very much, Sunny sir. What can I say? बाहर बारिश हो रही है लेकिन यहाँ पे it's a sunny day. Thank you for bringing the sun in our life. Sunny Pa, देखिए, your fans from all over the country are here. Boys and girls, make some noise. Love you, love you, love you all.
देखिए, जैसे आप लोग जानते हैं, तारीख पर तारीख चलती है। मैं भी थक गया ये तारीख पर, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इस पर कोई पक्की तारीख की बात करें।
सरीफा,
10 जुलाई को पक्की तारीख है, इक्का नेटफ्लिक्स पर पूरी दुनिया भर देखी जाएगी।
सरीफा, क्या आई मीन यू बीन इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर सो लॉन्ग, इतने साल हो गए, लेकिन हर बार जब इस किस्म का प्यार मिलता है, डजंट इट फील लाइक अ न्यू डे? ये प्यार कभी खत्म ना होगा।
देखिए, फिल्मों में काम कर कैरेक्टर्स, अलग अलग तरह के कैरेक्टर्स प्ले कर आप लोगों के दिलों में बैठा, और आज यही प्यार आप मुझे दे रहे हैं जो मुझे ताकत देता है, जिसकी वजह से मैं ये लाइन एज एन एक्टर कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगा। मैं चाहता था कि मैं दुनिया भर दिखूं अलग अलग तरीक़ों से, और मेरा हमेशा एक I always wanted to do a digital film, a film with Netflix, ताकि because अभी पूरी दुनिया एक ग्लोबल, एक छोटी सी हो गई है, पर वहाँ तक पहुँचना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और थ्रू Netflix मुझे यकीन है कि मैं बाकी पूरी दुनिया में जहाँ लोग शायद मुझे नहीं जानते जानना शुरू करेंगे, और शायद प्यार भी करेंगे अगर उन्हें मेरा काम पसंद आया तो।
सरीसा, ऑफ कोर्स, दुनिया का शायद ऐसा कोई कोना नहीं जहां पर हम देसी नहीं, और जहां पर देसी पहुंच जाते हैं वहां सनी देओल का जलवा पहुंच ही जाता है। इट विल ऑलवेज बी दैट सर। और सनी सर, देयर इज क्या कहते हैं ना, हर उम्र के और हर दौर के और हर टाइम पे कुछ नया होता है, एंड देयर इज समथिंग न्यू हैपनिंग फॉर यू ऑल्सो। दिस इज इन अ वे योर OTT डेब्यू। ऑल वी कैन से इज, सनी जी, वेलकम टू नेटफ्लिक्स। And of course, Sunny sir, your association with Netflix, you've already spoken about it. We're all very excited to see the film also. और ट्रेलर तो आज हम यहाँ पर देखे ही देखेंगे। You clearly mentioned दुनिया छोटी हो गई है, और दुनिया के अलग अलग कोनों तक के पहुंचना और वहां तक के अपना प्यार पहुंचाना बहुत जरूरी है। What do you think about इक्का and as a project जो कि आपको लोगों तक पहुंचाने में बड़ा मजा आएगा?
इक्का बहुत ही, हम हमेशा हमारी फिल्म की तारीफ ही करते हैं।
But you like that genre also, Sunny sir? The courtroom dramas which you...
Definitely मुझे दामनी के बाद मौका नहीं मिला, और जैसे ये सब्जेक्ट मेरे पास आया, मैं बहुत ही खुश था कि इतनी कोशिश कर रहे थे कि दामनी 2 करें, लेकिन दामनी 2 का तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, लेकिन ये फिल्म मेरे पास आई, एंड इसमें अक्षय है। अक्षय के साथ मैंने बॉर्डर की थी, एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट फिल्म वी बोथ वर टुगेदर। बहुत मज़ा आया था और इस फिल्म में भी बहुत मज़ा आया, एंड I've known him for so many years, वो मुझसे ज़्यादा अलूफ है.
A lot of people would argue on that, sir, but ठीक है.
But he's a gem of a guy.
Totally, sir. Totally. And thank you very much, sir, for speaking about Akshay Bhai also and whatever's we are about to watch. Dosto, Akshay sir, just give me Sunny sir, just give me a moment to call upon the other wonderful performers of this particular project. Now our next guest is an actor of remarkable poise, a voice of compassion, and a woman whose journey has been led by substance as much as success. I'm a big fan, and especially to see the growth and to see her over the years in multiple projects. Her film ke saath, her project ke saath, you just continue to be smitten by her. For over 2 decades, she has built a career defined by grace, versatility, and performances of remarkable depth. And today, she's embracing an exciting new chapter with Netflix. From IC814 to the and deeply human. And in Ikka, she steps into the emotional heart of the story. A woman navigating love, loyalty, and the consequences of a world where truth is never quite what it seems. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the ever-graceful Dia Mirza! मतलब क्या guys, come on, stop तो नहीं होना है. Always.
Mantra, you're too sweet. Yeah,
Ma'am,
thank you.
look, listen, I will start fumbling because this is as graceful as one can get. Ma'am, off the script, always been smitten by you. But what we've begun to see in your performances, as a student of acting, it's a masterclass in making, ma'am. Thank you very much for doing what you're doing. It's beautiful. Ma'am, what about Ikka, ma'am? What made you feel so deeply towards it? I know that there is, ये केवल courtroom drama नहीं है. There is a lot of emotion. There's a lot of family values that are associated with it too.
Good evening, friends. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पर खड़े होकर सनी सर के साथ, आपके साथ मंत्रा, and of course on the launch of the trailer of a very, very, very powerful and special film, Ikka. And I mean it. When I read the script, I found it to be very compelling, very humane, and very powerful. The characterizations are so unique and so interesting and so like enticing that I had to say yes. And it is my career's privilege to be cast in a part opposite Sunny Deol sir. And I was very happy about that, really happy about that, because it meant so much to me. I've always admired the Deol family for being kind and generous and rooted, and he is everything I imagined him to be and more. I said this at the teaser, when we launched the teaser. And then, of course, to be in a film that has these other forces like Tilotama Shom and Akshay Khanna. And it's just, my God, it's just incredible. And Siddharth has done a beautiful job with telling the story sensitively and very cleverly.
Well said, ma'am. Well said, and absolutely right. ये जो एक तो कमाल की जोड़ी, this is exactly what we've been wanting to see, and I'm glad that both of them have come together. And the way Dia ma'am has mentioned about the other wonderful talent associated with this project, so let's move forward and call them on stage also. वक्त है एक और powerhouse performance को stage पर बुलाने का, and this is a very, very personal victory for a lot of people from the Mumbai theatre circuit who have seen her do wonderful work on stage and of course on screen also. एक ऐसी एक्टर जिन्होंने हमें बार बार दिखाया है कि ब्रिलियंस को कभी अनाउंस करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. From Delhi Crime to Lust Stories to Sare Jahan Se Acha, she continues to redefine what powerful performance looks like. She doesn't enter a scene, she inhabits it. Fearless in her choices, unconventional in her journey, formidable in her craft. Every time she appears on screen, she leaves behind something every actor chases, but very few achieve. Complete believability. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the incomparable, the phenomenal, the force of nature that is From watching her at almost this much distance on stage performing with her to now on stage, I'm saying this, to being a fan, always been a fan, but
Me too.
Tillotama, what an amazing journey. And it continues with every milestone, every project. Your fans, your friends, people backstage, everyone talks about how inspiring it has been. But what a pleasure to see you in Ikka and the kind of performance that you're about to give. I have a sneak peek, so I can say that. But how's your experience been, Tilly?
मंत्रा you'll understand ना 25 साल लग गए इस मंच पे आने के लिए तो it is quite crazy. My beloved husband still can't believe I'm doing a film with Sunny Deol. He understands that Diya and I could be in the same world at some point of time, but this for him was, but I think Mantra, like what we learnt in theatre, is the power of the ensemble, and I felt that again in this film as well. Sid treated me like a star, and Diya gave me so much love from even before I started the film. And Sunny sir, and in brackets somewhere Pankaj, you have very kind eyes, and I'm very happy to have worked with you. And Netflix, thank you very much. This is our 6th party together, and I hope we have many more. And I never saw Akshay Khanna smile, but one day I was leaving after pack up, and this man was coming towards me smiling. So I just smiled and walked off, and then he said, Tillotama. And I turned back, and it was Akshay Khanna, but I couldn't recognize because वो smile कर रहे थे. So that was also very lovely, you know. बस बहुत हो गया.
That is amazing. That's going to remain now. To watch Akshay Khanna smile, that was the moment.
Yeah, off screen.
No, but Tilly, I see the moist in your eyes, and it is a moment. It is a moment for all of us, your friends, your fans who have followed your work, from here to beyond. Loads and loads of love to Tillotama Shom, ladies and gentlemen. And for Sunny sir, for guiding an entire industry for so many years, and Diya Mirza with every project, just continuing to glow like the sun. And now that we have met the cast, अब भाई arguments से आगे बढ़ते हैं. Time to move the arguments to evidence, क्योंकि अभी भी ये कोर्ट रूम है, please आप भूलिएगा मत. The much awaited trailer. But before we place the evidence before the court, आप ही के प्रोजेक्ट में मैंने सुना ऐसा क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट देना पड़ता है. दिया मैम सबसे पहले इस ट्रेलर से पहले, because ट्रेलर के साथ now you're giving it to the world, it's a gift to the world, your closing statement towards this as a lawyer, if you'd like to actually.
You're gonna have so much fun.
भाई क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट तो आपसे भी फिल्म में कई बार मांगा गया था, तो बताइए क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट बिफोर वी प्ले द ट्रेलर.
ये ट्रेलर 2.5 किलो से काफी ज्यादा मजेदार है. देखिए.
Oh, there's something special. अब ट्रेलर के अंदर ही आप देखोगे तब आपका